figurative images. So what are figurative images? Figurative images are the words used to describe one thing by comparing one thing to something else which are more familiar. And figurative images are used to bring us new experiences, new visions, new ways to see other things around us. So the first one is simile. Simile, so you are familiar with simile. Simile is stated or state comparison using the connective like and so the example is my love is like a red rose. So did you get the example? So metaphor or implied comparison but not directly used by like and as. So for example, in the morning Fred is making a song in the song that sings. Did you get it?
Yeah.
The next one is the personification. What is personification? Personification, the human qualities are given to an inanimate object, an abstract idea or a force of nature. Like for example, the night was creeping on the ground. She crept and did not make a sound. So the person was compared by the night.